Noble Crust is seasonal Italian with Southern soul. So what we do is we take influences from the American South and also from Italy as well too.
Well, I'm a Florida Southern boy, and my mother's side of the family is Italian too, so Italian and Southern kind of have always been a part of my life.
Noble Crust is unique in the fact that we have 3 restaurants, one in St. Pete's, the first one out here in Wesley Chapel, and also in Carrollwood. Same menu all across the board. You strive for consistency. You get the same thing at every restaurant. But each store has its unique energy to it.
I'm pretty excited. It's always fun to be in a competition with your colleagues around the area. There's a lot of cool guys that get to work with and don't get to see a lot because you're, working in the kitchen all the time. So it's neat to get out and hang out with them while also helping out a charity and raising money for a good cause.
We love participating in the Epic Chef event. It's fun just as far as a community for the chefs and the restaurants in the area. It gives my CDC Danny a chance to kind of shine and do his own thing. It's also just an extremely great cause that I'm proud to be a part of and love to help.
No one should go hungry, especially in our country. No one should, with the excess of waste and everything that we see every day, basic rights, they should be able to eat. So being able to give back and help give back to the community, it's really important to me. Well, I guess being I went to culinary school, so I guess you could say working through that and paying for school, you've always had to come up with crazy combinations of whatever's in the fridge, so maybe that'll help me out and give me a little edge. I'm ready for whatever they throw at me.
I'm super confident in Danny's ability to crush it. He's a workhorse and he has a lot of knowledge too, so he's going to bring that to the table, and I think he's just going to, bang it out and just do really good and kill it.